everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Casey and I'm an Amazon seller. I've been doing it for about 2.5 years now, and I have created this channel to help people learn about how to sell on Amazon because it has changed my life and I know it can change yours as well. Everybody's having a great week. I apologize for being a little MIA here lately. I'm going to try to get back to a regular schedule with videos. So first, let's talk about, I have been coming into, people have all different reasons why they are wanting to get into Amazon. Some people want to leave their full-time job. Some people want to just have a little side hustle. Some people, this is just their bridge to get into what they really want to do because their full-time job takes up too much time. So just keep that in mind when looking at other people's numbers and, you know, what they're doing is you don't know why they are wanting to get into it. It could be a completely different reason why you are wanting to get into it. So today's video is going to be kind of like a back to the basics video. So I'm going to show you all the basics with Amazon, with the app, with the website, all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and get into the video today. So first off, let me explain. The only time I really use my app is if I am checking to see what my sales are for that day. Besides that, I do most of my stuff on the desktop, computer, laptop, you know, the desktop version. Also, if I am scanning in the stores, I use my app, obviously. But I do a lot of online arbitrage, so whenever I'm doing my online arbitrage, most of the time I am also using the desktop version of Amazon. So for the app, I'm going to show you some tricks in the app that you can do, and then we'll go over like how to update your inventory pricing, how to delete something off inventory, just that simple stuff that, you know, might seem like it's simple, but at the same time you might just not even realize. And a lot of sellers that have been doing it for a while, it's like a second nature to us, but what we don't really realize is the new sellers might have a hard time with that stuff. Okay, so right now I am under my inventory page, so I went to manage inventory, and what I'm going to show you are several different things on this page. So to adjust the pricing on an item, you are going to go to this block right here. Let's say I want to sell it for $16. I can put $16 in there and hit save. So let's say that I want to match the lowest price. So you got the featured offer price right here, and then you got the lowest price. So the feature offer price is the buy box price. The lowest price, of course, is the lowest price. You can hit match to match that lowest price on that item. The template, the shipping template that you're using is going to be right here. Your fees for each item sold is going to be right here. How much inventory do you got of it is right here. So you can also update that by typing in this box and clicking save. Right here is the seller's rank and the category it is in. This yes right here, that basically just means are you eligible for the buy box. So if you're eligible for the buy box, it's going to say yes. If you're not, it's going to say no. So if you are charging the customer for shipping, that's going to pop up here. You can see I am not. So that is why it shows a 0 right there. That is the difference in a professional account and an individual account. The individual account shows a shipping right there. Also, if you want to delete your inventory, you can hit the check that box right there. Go up to action where it says action on one selected. You can then delete products and listings. So you can also change your shipping templates. Let's say that you create a new shipping template and you have a couple items that you want to change that shipping template to. You can click the ones that you want to change that shipping template to, and then you can just do change shipping template, and that will change the shipping template for those items that you have selected. So a couple tips with FBA. You can change the price after your inventory is already shipped into FBA. So just because you send it into FBA at that one certain price, you don't have to keep it at that. You can adjust the pricing as much as you need to. Just like with FBM, you can adjust the price whenever you need to. That's where I say if you do not have a repricer, you need to be constantly checking those prices, just going down through there, seeing if you are at the lowest price, seeing if you are with the competitive price, which is the buy box price, and adjusting accordingly. Now, of course, don't adjust if you're not going to make money on it. So you always want to go back into the profit calculator and just make sure that you can adjust to that price and still make money on it. Okay, so if I want to add a product on Amazon, I'm going to be on my app right here. I'm going to hit add a product. I'm going to either type in what I'm going to search for, or I'm going to go over to the camera button and scan the UPC. So if the UPC doesn't bring up anything, you'll scan the front of it. If it don't bring up anything, you can always type in what it is. So if I type in Barbie, all these pop up, but if I want to be more specific and type in Barbie camping, then we see here these pop up, so you can just search through here and try to find your product on here. So you also have here, you have favorites and you have history. So with favorites and history, you can save products. Of course, your history is everything that you have searched. So let's say I want to save something to favorites because I found it and I want to check it out later. I can just go to the product that I had found. So let's go to Barbie Camping again, and I can hit favorites down here at the bottom, and it will save it, little blue star. Now, if I want to list the item, I'm going to hit this list right here, and it is going to pop up the product, and I can either merchant fill it or fulfill it by Amazon, put it new. And then, of course, I put whatever price I want to put in there. And then I'm going to go down to the bottom and hit save and finish. And it will list the product into my inventory. Okay, so on this page right here, this is your home screen on your app. You can see your sales so far today, the units so far today up there at the top, so you can see your current balance. So this will be your payout that you're going to get at your next payout, and payouts are a whole different big ball game that I can go over in a different video. So you have your manage orders right here, that mine says 184, so you can go here and it's going to show all your orders that are pending, gotta be shipped. It can be FBA, FBM. You just filter it however you want to see it. Up here at the top, you can filter however you want to see. 7 days, week. You can do by the month. You can do however you want to do it. So I can also look at my inventory on the app. I don't really do much on the app besides if I want to list a product, or if I'm checking my sales for the day. I can also use this camera button up here at the top to scan a product. That's the quicker way to get to add a product. So again, the only thing I really ever do is if I'm scanning in the store using this app, or if I am checking my sales for the day. So getting started on Amazon, you just walk through the process to get on there. So basically you got to submit your information and you get your account going. I think now they do calls to where they ensure you are who you are. Used to, whenever I did it, they just sent something in the mail to make sure that you are at that address that you say you are at. So that steps, you just walk through that, and then the first thing you can do is download that app, which is the Amazon Seller app. So you got the Amazon app, which is for consumers, and then you got the Amazon Seller app, which are for sellers. And you download that app, hit that camera button, and just start scanning UPCs and seeing what you can find. So let me show you real quick as a reminder, how do you figure out profit on an item? Let's figure out if this item makes a profit. So I'm going to hit this top line up here where it says low price, fees, gross proceeds. So I'm going to hit that top line, and it's going to bring up my profit calculator. Up here at the top, you got Amazon fulfilled and you got seller fulfilled. So this depends on how do you want to ship it. Do you want to send it to Amazon and let Amazon send it to the customer, or do you want to send it straight to the customer yourself? Again, Amazon fulfilled or merchant fulfilled, you decide what you want to do. You can do either way. So if I'm going to Amazon fulfill it, let's say the cost of this purchase is $5. I'll put the cost of purchase is $5. Now you're going to just round up. You know, usually it's about 50 cents per order to send something into Amazon after you put a whole bunch of items in one box. So this will lose 57 cents. Now if I do seller fulfilled, this item's pretty light. It will cost about $5 to ship, and the cost of the purchase is $5. So the fees that it would be costing me is $187. So I would be making 62 cents on this product if I shipped it to the customer myself. So that is what you have to do to figure out if a item makes a profit. Before you list a item, you want to make sure it makes a profit. Before you buy an item, you want to make sure it makes a profit, because then there's no point in buying it if it don't make a profit. You're not in this to lose money, you're in this to make money. Okay, so if you want to get started on Amazon, again, all you have to do is go to their website and sign up. Once you get approved, download the app, start scanning items, and use that profit calculator to see if the items make a profit. Then you can either choose to send it into Amazon or send it straight to the customer yourself. If you need any help when you get to that point, I have my list, prep, ship, Amazon FBA, and Amazon FBM videos that you can check out, and they will walk you through how to ship the product. With researching the product, like I said, it basically, you just scan. I mean, go to Walmart, go to Target, go down the aisle and just scan it all. When you're first starting out, it's going to be hard because you're gated. You want to try to get ungated as quick as you can. There's a lot of information on the web about how to get ungated, but if you need a walkthrough process, then I have my ungated guides that you can check out. I walk you through how to get ungated and topicals, toys, grocery, and I explain OTC on there also, because OTC has been a big one for me here lately with medicines and stuff. So if you are interested in that, the description will be in this video below. Thank y'all for all my new subscribers, all my returning subscribers. Thank y'all so much. I apologize for being MIA. So if you enjoyed this video today, make sure you hit that like button. If you want to learn about how to sell on Amazon, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because I upload videos, try to upload videos weekly about how to sell on Amazon. And if you have any questions, put it in the comments below. So those are just some quick tips for beginners on Amazon. If you need some one-on-one help, I have my 60-minute call, which is one 60-minute call. I have my membership each month, which is my phone number to be able to text me any questions you might have, or to ask, is this item any good or not? You get one of the 60-minute calls, and you get the Facebook group. I have the Facebook group that I post leads all the time in there. And, you know, the other day I think I posted like 10 at a time. We also do Zoom calls every other week. And then I have added in a research night. So basically we are going to research some products together to kind of help, you know, show everybody what I do to research products that I find and I post in the group. So if you're interested in that, it is all in the description in this video. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I apologize for being a little MIA here lately. Life has been crazy, but I'm going to try to get back to a schedule where I post at least one video a week. Right now, with the sales that I am doing and trying to keep up with all that, one video a week is about the most I'm going to be able to do right now. When it slows down a little bit, I might be able to pick it back up. But of course, quarter 4 is coming up, so whenever quarter 4 comes, it's going to be all crazy again. So guys, I will see y'all next week. So until next time, bye.